Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we are going to learn how to color correct your images in 30 seconds. So, first go to adjustment layer icon and then choose curves. And inside the curves, hit the auto button, but it still doesn't color correct the image very nicely. So now, hold Alt key and then click on the auto button so it opens more options. And now, I will suggest you to click on the Find Light and Darks colors, and you can also check Snap Neutral Midtones. And this is how you can auto color correct your pictures. I hope that you would have liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.